We decided to scrap the van, and now we're gonna go to the rice section of Walmart and get me a nice 6-inch exhaust
It was a
tip.
piece.
It was a piece. The thing leaked everywhere. You want to tell us some problems?
Transmission line, we couldn't get that off because it was rusted on.
A lot
so
of
that
oil.
leaked. The brake line just totally like pulled right out of the car, so that leaked whenever you
here.
press the brake.
Hold on, swipe down this aisle.
Got a straight pipe.
I want the one with like the burnt metallic or the titanium look or whatever.
Cost like $40.
No, it's a Walmart
The one
special.
at O'Reilly was 30.
There. Yeah, it was too much. I need the.
Didn't even have the
Where's the Walmart special at? Where's the Walmart special exhaust tips? What the? So I guess they don't carry Walmart special
Here.
exhaust tips here.
exhaust tips right here?
So we're gonna get this fat boy. It's a nice
the faucet
4-inch tip right there. 4-inch. Actually it's a 12-inch exhaust tip right there. It says 12. And
That doesn't
old
work
shit.
for this.
That's
New
gonna,
old
like-
shit handle.
that's gonna give me like an extra 40 horsepower, you know?
New old shit handle.